assuming this is it. Yeah, it is. And you were not kidding when you said you live in the country. Wow. Oh.
There are 4 different engine harnesses. Then we got short watt boxes, long watt boxes. We're like 2 of those left, so we got another 100 going. We got fuel pump rewires, boost boxes. Here's all the MFS connector kits.
Wow. That's a lot. That's a big problem too.
No, we did 200 of them last time. We got injectors, fan harnesses, stage 2
So
boxes.
all this is neon.
Yeah.
Wow. And that right there must be like the production area.
It's a disaster because I got like 4 vendors for all your crap. So here's your little chart. Every wire I did, I'd highlight it as soon as I put it in there.
Yeah, when you were trying to explain this to me, I was like, yeah, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, like these are all the splices. So this one's, it's named when I make it. So that's the dark green splice that goes to your fan, and it tells you it goes to fuse box 2, pin 34, pin 44, and then it goes to the front chassis connector. So each one of these is wire to put in. So it's gibberish to most people, but without it, I wouldn't be putting stuff in the right spot. Wouldn't know where to go.
Yeah, no, that's why I left it to you, man.
Here's the one I have to edit because the relay went over the crack.
Oh yeah,
so I have to
like
make
you
sure I
showed me
update
the
it.
picture.
Just an oversight. I didn't even think of a thing, and then I put it relay in there. I was like, "What the fuck?" And I got the thing out to measure it, and I was like, I'm like, "Come on! I didn't know that was a thing." Here's your old dash harness.
Mind you, there was something like added in. I think it was like a security system.
Yeah, there was. That's why I was, when I first got the car, I told you, I was like, "Yeah, we got to do something with this because I'm not getting all the way down having a problem." Is that what's in that bag? There's a bag with a bunch of random shit in it, and I was like,
this right here is old wiring that was installed into my harness underneath the driver's seat, underneath the rug. When I took up my rug, I was like, I don't want that on there. I don't know what it is. But I'm just sending this to you just so you could actually check it out. Maybe that's why my car isn't started.
that's what it's looking like.
Yeah. So that's why I took the engine and harness out, and I was like, I'm gonna retuck it myself.
Yeah, so you got them firewall connectors that we use for our circle tracks.
Yeah, I didn't know what it was, and I was like, there's no security system in this car. It would be nice to have one,
Right.
but yeah, but
that's how it goes. Yeah, I don't like to start with something anybody else messed with because of the fact that I know.
Exactly. It's already cut.
Yeah, that goes to your driver door. So this must tell if the door opens. Yeah, because the pink and black is the switch for the door, because that goes to your remote keyless entry module.
Yeah, so there you go. There's a splice right there, a hack. I wouldn't even know what to do. Oh, those are little terminals. Oh, and that.
Put the wire in there.
Wow, that's the reel you're talking about.
Yeah, comes right off the reel.
Wow.
So it's a weather pack terminal. That's for.
Wow. I remember buying these individual off you. I was like, what the f am I doing?
Right? Yeah, that's in all these. So you can imagine there's 2 on each one. There's 500 of these. So that's 1,000 of these they crimped in a couple hours.
Wow.
Instead of pulling them off and hand crimping them all.
This is pretty cool though. I think it's pretty neat.
Yeah.
You know, like I'm into this stuff, but you know, I'm just hacking my shit on it. It worked for the time being until like when I'm sitting there, you know, 55 miles an hour and it was puttering out. I was like, what's going on? I'm like, let me just keep driving. Putter out, putter out. I'm like, something's wrong. So
yeah, and you have to figure out what it is. Is it the wiring? Is it the tune? Is it a bad injector, a bad coil, something going on?
Right. So what do you do? Like, come over here and then hook it on there and go up to where you need to?
Plug each one in there, and then one wire at a time, I just go and put it where it needs to go, and then it kind of transforms into the harness there. And then this one I took and put it in your car, and then taped it where it went, cut everything to length, took it back out.
That's so
probably
dope.
in your dash, well, 5 times to make it fit nice. Here's your plugs for your volt gauge, your oil gauge, your wideband. There's that 5-pin connector that's tucked up in your dash for the wiper motor. The driver door connector. MFS connector, ignition switch. Here's for the horn. That's, you still gotta hook that up.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
See? That's why I didn't do this.
So then I got this drawing saved, so if you ever have questions on where stuff goes, I have the pin out and everything, so like here tells
what are you talking about? I'll drive back out here. I'll trailer my car back out here again.
Right. Like this one says it goes from the first pin of the MFS connector to the 12-pin dash pin 7. So this white pan's the brake light. Goes from here all the way up to the 12-pin pin 7 in here. So yeah, and then from there it goes into the dash harness to your brake pedal switch.
That one is which?
This one's called, I just named it dash 12.
That would be dash 12, alright.
Yeah, it's 12 pin, goes to the dash. It's nothing too crazy.
MFS would be up here.
That would be down here.
Because this is part of that.
Yeah,
that's part of that. Okay.
There's just not enough room for.
I thought that was this.
It would make sense, but yeah, this should go right here, but this thing's too big to stick. So you get your skim, your wiper switch. The horn is a little longer, so it can reach your steering wheel button. This is for the stage 2 engine harness. Just plug it all in, and then the tester tells you if it's all in the right spot or not. Yeah, this is for the circle track engine harness. This is the build board for that. So this is the board she uses to lay out.
Oh, so you use that to build it and then that to plug it in, see if it goes to where it needs to.
Yep. Wow. Yeah, this thing used to be on our kitchen table. We ate dinner on that a couple times. And there's the build board for, you can see how they used to be and how I make them now. This is for a police car harness.
Here we go.
Yeah, I haven't
Definitely have come up.
Still working.
It's like, can you actually read that stuff?
Yeah. For the most part, otherwise Rachel's got it all memorized.
Yeah, building them all the time.
She builds 5, 10, 15 of those at a time.
No.
Wow, you got like a AC more.
Hey, turn that back on, you stinker. Those we had remade for us.
Wow.
Those are the PCM covers.
Yeah, we all know these things crack and break, and you
ends
can't.
break off them.
Yeah. Now these 3D printed or what?
No, those are brand new from Tyco. Wow. I had to order 600 and wait 3 months.
You guys know what these are, huh? You remember what these are?
We're running low on those. We used to have 100 of them.
Low. Wow.
Oh, we're down to like 700. That's bad.
This is like gold right here, you guys.
It actually pretty much is.
It really is. Like, a lot of people might be watching this right now and be like, wow, they're just connectors. But they're really not. These, wow, they feel so new. Guys. Well, that's the man if you need connectors, pins, you know, harnesses, and wow.
Those are easy to get. Some of the ones over here are the difficult ones.
Wow.
Seals.
The little rubber seals. Oh my god, that's so many of them. Wow. I feel like I'm at AC Moore about to go ahead and build something.
You buy that many, they're less than a penny a piece then.
That's nuts.
Yep. You have to stock all this stuff to be able to build anything.
Daddy.
What's that do? What's that do? She don't know.
Do it. Don't you do it.
And those are the ones I remember playing with.
Yeah. All 3 sizes.
How many on a reel?
For the smaller gauges, 3,400, and then when you get up to the 10 and 12, I think they get down to like 2,400.
Wow.
See, all these are the male and females for just that one style.
Right.
These are for like the TPS.
Those are the smaller ones.
Yep.
I hate it how they look identical.
They all look the same? Oh, I know.
And it's just the size.
Remember the one time you told me that the computer terminals are the same as the...
Yeah, I remember.
They look the same.
Now I
right.
see it in person, and now I started building them on my own and tried to.
Yeah, because these... Here's those ones.
It literally messes with your eyes. Yeah,
Oh,
see, they're different. They're different color. They're gold.
Right, but these have a rectangular slot, and then the MGC ones have a circular slot. They're made by Molex, and those are made by Tyco. So I was like, I know they're different. Because like these,
that's a lot different.
These are for fuse boxes. Like these are. This will be for the neon. This is for the first gen OBD
So basically
connector.
just thrown in there, and then you know exactly.
I got them kind of lettered. Each one's got a letter so that it's easier for them to tell.
Because we know these aren't neon.
No, those
are just like those factory-looking things, right? Same with those.
Someone had a killer deal on closeout, so they just sent me a bunch of those. So once in a while, if I'm in a pinch, I'll be like, oh, score, I got a size I need.
Yeah, you might as well, right?
What you doing?
What are you doing?
Ready to go racing.
Jacob showed me around the shop, and I got to see my car, and we just shot the and I've never seen so many brand new OEM original connectors all in one eyesight. It's a lot, but I'm gonna go get food, you guys. I decided to get this place right here, A&W, all American food. Fries, bomb. And Jacob's going home. We're gonna meet up tomorrow morning at like 7, 8 a.m. I'm actually gonna be sleeping in my truck outside the shop. He's taking off right now. If you guys are not subscribed yet, definitely think about it. Like the video, helps the analytics. I'll check in with you guys in the next video. And until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace.